Let's talk about MP Power USB charging cable 1 meter for Nintendo Wii U. Allow charging while having fun with your game at the same time. Charge your Nintendo Wii U controller from any USB port. Length, 1 meter. Compatible with Wii U. Package, 1x cable. So nice to be able to plug the gamepad straight into a USB socket and not mess around with the big power brick and unravel cables each time I need a charge. Delivered same day. Fits the bill perfectly. Great item, good quality.